So, good day, class. Today, we're going to talk about two important types of geometric figures, the solid figures and plane figures. So, plane figures. These are flat, two-dimensional shape. A plane figure can be made of straight lines, curved lines, or both straight and curved lines. So, it only has two dimensions. It is length and width. That means it doesn't have any thickness or height. You can draw a plane figure on paper it it stays flat. It doesn't pop out or stand out. So plane figures can be made of straight lines like square, triangles, curved lines like circles or a combination of both. So let's look at some examples. So circle. So the circle is shape that can be made by tracing a curve that is always the same distance from a point that we call the center. So circle is made by tracing a curve that is always the same distance from a center point. It has no corners and no straight sides. Next is triangle. Triangle is a shape that is formed by three straight lines that are called sides. It is one of the simplest shapes made of straight lines. Rectangle. Rectangle is a shape that has four sides. So rectangle opposite sides are equal in length and all angles are right angles. We have a rhombus. A rhombus is a shape formed by four straight lines and its four sides. So all all sides are equal in length, but the angles are not necessarily right angles. Square. A square is a special rectangle. It has four equal sides and four right angles. So square is a 2D plane shape with four equal sides. You know. So we have solid figures. So solid figures is it has length, width, and height. So solid figures are not flat. They take up space and have volume. So solid figures are made up of faces. These are flat surface of the solid figure. Most faces are plane figures. We have edges. These are lines where two faces meet. Vertices. These are the points where edges meet. A single point is called a vertex. So let's look some example of the solid figures. We have here a pyramid. Pyramid is a polyhedron that is only one base that is a polygon and faces that are triangles. The opposite side of the base of a pyramid is a vertex, like prisms. Pyramids are named based on the shape of their bases. So, pyramid has one base and triangular faces that meet at a point called the vertex. Next is a cylinder. Cylinder has two circular bases and one curved surface. So a cylinder is wraps around the sides. We have here cone. A cone it has one circular base and one curved surface. The opposite side, the opposite of the base of a cone is vertex. So a cone has one circular base and curved surface that come to a point at the top called the vertex. Spear. It has no base. It is made up of circular curved surface. A spear is a round solid figure like a ball. It has no edges, no faces, and no vertices. It's made entirely of curved surface.